Assalamualaikum and greetings to Dr. Suhaila. We are from Group 6. We'd like to present our very own mock-up design for medical system of Santubong Medical Center. So here are the team members that are contributed into this work. So why do we create the system? Well, first off, the previous system requires a lot of manual works. This leads to pharmacists manually checking prescriptions and patient files, causing delays, quotation errors, and varying response times. Overall, it's time-consuming and inefficient, impacting patient service across different stations. So we offers a three solution. First off, a new system for the medical center. Second, a quick access for the staff members, and also efficiency of the system. Okay, first we start off with login page. On this page, the user can choose to log in by a customer or staff. First, I'm going to show customer interface part for most. So just simply that by clicking customer. User next will direct it to sign interface for customer. The user requires to fill out their own ID and account password. Next, they need to click the sign in button. On the home page, patients can then introduce to promotion efforts, search bar, taskbar button, appointment button, add to cart button, user button, and help center chat button. Let's say the customer search for fever medicine or flu fever. The website will provide to the customer to a relevant product. Here, as you can see, an example of a product for fever. Let's first one, cool fever for children set, Panadol Active Fast, and cool fever for baby sets. So you see the product details simply just by clicking the products picture. Once clicked, the customer will be introduced to the details of the product. The customer can read the description if they wanted to know more about the product. If the customer wants to buy the product, just click buy now, or if they still want to import another item, just click add to cart. On this add to cart page, you can see the number of products they added. If they wanted to read the detail of the product, just simply click on the detail button, or if they wanted to purchase the product, just click place order. For the checkout page, the customer will be shown to the product order summary. Also, the customer can choose to deliver, choose to either delivery or self-pickup at the Santubong Medical Center. They can also choose an option to whether to pay by cash or through online banking. Next, the customer requires to fill in the address if they choose to deliver the product into their home. And lastly, the details amount of the payment needs to be made by the customer. Once done, click on place order. If the purchase is successful, the website will proceed to another checkout page. On this page, the customer can see their order summary. Once done, just click on the home button. If the customer wanted to set an appointment with a doctor, just click the calendar button on top of the website. Here, the customer can choose the date and time for an appointment. If it's an appointment, just click the set appointment button. On this page, the customer required to fill out their name, IC number, phone number, and reason, and also time to meet up with the doctor. Next, they need, once done, just simply click on the plus button on the left side. In this page, the customer can see the list of number and appointment they already set. If they wanted to double check their appointment details, just click on the name and they can see the details of their appointment.
If you guys can see in this home page, you guys can also tap into the taskbar. As you guys can see on this page, we have shown the taskbar. On this page, we have an account button, home button, help center button, history button, and a logout button. Every button on this page serves the purpose. For account button, click on the customer. The customer can click on the button, and the customer can edit the customer profile. The home button used to go back to the home page, and the help center button used to give IT support for the customer. The history button is to see the history of the Santubong Medical Center. And lastly, the logout button is to log out from the customer account. On this page, we have the customer profile. The customer profile, it will show the name of the customer, the user ID, the email of the customer, and the address of the customer. The customer can also edit the profile. And customer also give an option give an option if they want to change the password. Just click on this button right here and just insert the old button and insert the new password and confirm your new password and set, and click on the set password and done. On this page you will see the help center page. The help center will help the customer about anything relevant to the Santo Home Medical Center. If the customer want to change their appointment, they can simply type here, and our support team will reply.
What's the differentiation between the customer version and the staff version is when the staff log in into its account at the home for the taskbar, the help center and the staff profile is just the same as the customer, but at the homepage of staff version, it provide the related news such as daily update of COVID-19 cases in Malaysia. When the staff click at this icon, it will lead the staff to the patient book appointment history. The staff can see the patient book appointment for the exact day. And when the staff click at the exact day, it will give more detail about the patient during that day, such as name and the time. And when the staff click at the customer name, it will give the staff more detail about the customer.
So we're back on the homepage. From this, we go to the medicine update, which is an like capsule icon. We go through this. We show the daily stock update. For example, we take the name of the medicine as diclofenac, loratadine, and paracetamol. Here is the price, the stock that available, and money consumed also shown. The quantity ordered also shown, and quantity delivered. At the bottom, we go to the medicine detail. Here we state the 3 example of the medicine that we put here. Diclofenac and its feature, for example, paracetamol. The picture of example is Panadol and loratadine. That's all for our mock-up design. Thank you so much. For the crucial process, we choose the level 1. One crucial process flow from the DFD is we choose this to relate to our case study to mock-up design. From the process flow, we obtain the patient of information such as name, IC number, phone number, the user ID, email address, and also the address of the patient and customer. We also monitor the medicine stock, medicine detail, the booking history, customer or patient appointments, and customer or patient medicines record. For the crucial data store, we choose the data store D1 patient file. Because why we choose it? Because it stores the patient data, appointment history, medical treatment, medicine history, and purchase history.